Masks and Stacks is a party board game that I submitted in the Global Game Jam in 2026. It emphasises player interaction and layered gameplay. Players draw on transparent cards and cast on cards, stacking them on the stack to mask out topic content, constructing and guessing alien words. Here are 4 attained Global Game Jam 2026 game diversifiers. Masterpiece. Many hands make light work, undefined language and diverse. The game culminates in the production of a piece of art that can be displayed on a wall. Make a game that's meant to be played with 4 or more players. All in-game text, symbols, spoken words, and written language must use a completely made-up language. Also, include a total of 3 or 4 diversifiers in your game, including this one. Playloop. Instruction. The player randomly chooses to topic a noun, for example, spade, but do not reveal the topic at this time. Distribute n transparent plastic sheets to each player, where n is the number of players. In this example, n is 3. The player can only draw 1 stroke on each plastic sheet, with each player having 3 sheets. The stroke can draw in any direction, but can only utilise 1 straight line in any direction, but no scribbles allowed. Then the player casts 1 of sheet from their hand in any orientation, and the next player should cast a sheet on top of the previous player. In an n-player game, each casted deck will only contain n cards. Players should discuss what they accidentally create, or its appeals, or something, and guess the original word. After that, the topic will be revealed. The closest guess to the original meaning will get 1 mark. Winning condition. The game will continue for n+1 more rounds, and the highest score will win.